Hi everyone. How are you today? Let's learn English conversation with me. 2. Asking about checks.
How are you doing today?
Great. Thanks.
What can I do for you today?
I just have one question.
What's your question?
How do I order checks?
You can order them right now, if you'd like.
That would be great.
Just fill out this application.
Then what?
Give it about 5 to 7 business days, and you should receive them in the mail.
Here's my application. Thanks for your help.
How are you?
I'm fantastic.
What can I help you with?
Could you answer a question for me?
What would you like to know?
I need to order checks. How do I do that?
You can do that right now, if you want to.
Let me do that now.
I'm just going to need you to fill out this application.
What do I do next?
You will receive your checks in the mail in about a week.
I've finished my application. Thank you so much.
How's it going?
I'm fine. Thank you.
May I help you?
I have a question.
Ask away.
How can I order new checks?
If you want, you can order some right now.
I would like to do that right now.
First, you need to fill out this application.
What else do I have to do?
Give it about a week, and you should get your checks in the mail.
I appreciate your help. Here's my application. Thank you for watching my videos. Please subscribe, like and share to channel Dan Sreyoun in order to get more video. Thank you.